You can tell there is nobody in the rail ramp because of the strike. From the way you see, there is not even a yard jockey. All the cranes are down. And the load I am looking for the trailer is in the wrong spot. I cannot find it. I cannot find my trailer. My trailer container is supposed to be the brown 829. It's not there, so I have to go around everywhere to look for it. There is nobody in the ground. There is nobody in the yard because of the railroad strike. They said it's cancelled, but it doesn't look like it. They hire people from the agencies to manage the entrance. So everybody at the entrance is new. We don't have the same people that we see every day. And there is not even a single yard jockey in the yard. And the cranes are not there. The important thing is that I cannot find my container. They give me the location on the network, but the location is not correct.